Hey guys, it's your girl Brittney Nise, and I'm back again with another natural hair tutorial. So today I will be showing you 3 easy ways to spice up your natural hair look, whether you're rocking a twist out, a braid out, or a wash and go. So this is a braid out that I did yesterday, and I just took it down this morning. So these are my 3 go-to hairstyles if I want to spice up my look, or maybe my braid out is a few days old and it's getting a little frizzy, and these are just 3 simple ways that I just throw my hair up and go about my day. So the first things that you'll need is some hair ties, some bobby pins, and some gel or edge control. And also refresh your hair with like a leave-in conditioner or styler if your hair is a little bit old. I'm not gonna go in with a styler today or a leave-in because my hair is still fresh and it's still moisturized. But if your hair does lack moisture, don't be afraid to go back in with just a little bit of styler or oil sheen or anything, and just, you know, rub that throughout your hair to kind of give it that shine back. Also, you'll need a spray bottle. I got this spray bottle from Family Dollar. It was $1. And then a pick if you want to pick out your hair. So first, I'm going to show you guys how I do my 2 puffs. So my hair is already ported in the middle from me wearing my middle port. So what I like to do, I like to just part my hair with my fingers. And it doesn't really matter about this part right here on the side or at the top. Kind of just even them out. I'm just going to take a little bit of water out my spray bottle and just spray the edges. Kind of work it in. Don't spray the ends of your hair, or try not to get water on this part since that's already curly. You don't want to mess up the curl pattern, so try to stay away from that. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of my edge control and I'm gonna take my handy dandy toothbrush. Then I am going to take my hair tie and I kind of go for like an angle. Alright, just like that. And I'm gonna take the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Now I'm just gonna kind of twist my hair a little bit, and I am just going to wrap it around. And then I'm going to take a bobby pin in it. And then I'm just going to fluff out my puff just a little bit. So just pull it out, kind of make it a little messy. And I'm just going to continue to fix them until I get it to the center. And I'm just gonna fluff my hair out a little bit more. Right, so this is look number 1, guys. I'ma let you have it. All right, let's get started with the second look. 2 ponytails again. So then I'm going to part my hair and I'm going to make a twist. A loose twist. Cross this one over here. And then cross this one right here. Okay, and this is style number 2.
I'ma let you have it. I'ma let you have it. I'ma let you have it.
So this one will be a
you have it.
Don't forget to click the thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, see you next time.